So here's how you can unhide photos on the iPhone. Before we get started, make sure you are subscribed to this channel and you'll never miss anything important. Anyways, open up the Photos app and scroll down a bit more until you find the other sections. For me, it is part of the utilities, and there I can see hidden photos as well as recently deleted. So I can tap on hidden. It is locked with the Face ID passcode, so no problem there. And I just tap on the photo which I want to unhide. Tap on the three dots like this, and unhide button should be right there. So there is this like icon, which means unhide, and it will then reappear back into the regular section of the photos. So generally speaking, it's actually very simple. So yeah, it's not like with the recently deleted photos that they disappear from that folder after 30 days. In the hidden album, you basically have the photos forever until you retrieve them back. So that's how it works. Let me know below in the comments if you managed to make it work. Most definitely subscribe for the next tutorials and guides like this one, and I'm gonna catch you later.